ক্লাস 4-5-এ যারা পড়ছো তাদের জন্য একটি শর্ট এসে বা কম্পোজিশন দ্য কাউ। Introduction. The cow is a gentle domestic animal. It is the most common animal in the world. It is found all over the world. Description. The cow has 2 eyes and 2 long ears. It has 4 legs and 2 horns and a long tail. It has teeth only in the lower jaw. The cow is about 7 feet long and 4 or 5 feet high. Its body is covered with short hair. Colors. Cows are of different colors. Some are white, some are red, some are black, and some are of mixed colors. Food habit. The cow eats grass, straw, bran, oil cake, rice, and leaves of trees and vegetables. Usefulness. The cow is a very useful animal. It gives us milk. Milk is very nutritious. Butter, ghee, curd, and many sweetmeats are made from milk. Cow dung is a very good fertilizer. Bones and horns of cows are used for making batons and combs. Shoes, bags, belts, etc. are made of its skin. Conclusion. The cow is very useful to us, so we should take care of it. পুরো প্রবন্ধটি আমরা কয়েকবার পড়ব, বাক্যের অর্থ বুঝে আবার কয়েকবার পড়ে না দেখে লেখার চেষ্টা